Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I was going through some of my trade research today and just looking for different opportunities, and I came across a trade that I think you'll find pretty interesting. There's a trade done today in Netflix, and it ended up being about a $100,000 bet that Netflix goes a little bit higher. Pretty interesting. Let's take a look. This is a new strategy that I'm working on. Hope to have done by the end of the month, so stay tuned for that. But it identifies certain wing spreads, and what it is if you look closely here, someone bought 200 of the Netflix April 14th, 325, 355, 385 call butterflies at $5.87. Now, $5 times 200, that's $100,000. So this is actually more than that. It's, 110, 120,000, something like that. But basically, with the stock at $313.20, if it rises up to $355 by April 14th, which, I said before, it's, if it rises by a bit, I mean, that seems like kind of a lot, but if you look here at the chart, I mean, it was just trading there a couple of weeks ago, right? It just needs to go a little bit above the 21-day moving average. Now, the time horizon here is April 14th, which is about 6 weeks away. Basically, what this person is looking for is the stock not to really make a big move to the downside and, either drift to 355 by April 14th, or, maybe go higher, go lower, but be trading around there around that time. Now, if the person is right, if we go back to the spread here, it's a $30 wide spread from wings to guts or from guts to wing, right? So that means the spread can be worth $30. This person paid $5.87. So A, it's pretty leveraged, and B, there's actually a pretty wide range that this stock can be in and still lead to profitability. One thing to note about butterflies, we really have to wait until pretty close to expiration. So there's kind of a long ways to go until this can really start benefiting the trader who traded this and end up reaping a lot of profit. So I thought it was pretty interesting. If your view on Netflix is congruent with this big trader's view, then you'll probably find this pretty darn interesting. I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.